Father's Day.
Hello, Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day ko ng favorite daughter.
Enjoy your life. Be healthy, make it strong. Always pray to God. Trust Him. Have a good health.
We don't see each other, but we're family. We love each other. We care for each other. Siyempre, ang push ko din sa'yo na
Good health.
prioritize your health. Kailangan healthy lagi. Yung sinasabi ni Kuya na ikaw na bumibili ng gamot. Sabi mo bumibili ng gamot.
Take your medicine. Sleep early. No stress in life. Just pray to God. Trust Him. That is good.
Stay healthy and enjoy life.
Enjoy
Be
life.
strong.
Take care of yourself. Be happy with your
Enjoy your life.
life there.
I love you po.
Happy Father's Day.
Papa's girl. Papa's boy.
Always take care of your health and God help mag-check up at mag-palab test. And always pray. Your prayer is powerful. No? Hindi ko pala pa. Sa'yo ba ako nagmana? Pwede. Pero mas pogi ako sa loob ng kabataan. Talo ka. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Enjoy. And I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa.
Hi! Hi, Papa! Happy Father's Day!
Hi Lola, Happy Father's Day po. Thank you for guiding me to go to Canada and stay healthy po. And thank you for staying with me until I go to Canada po. I love you.
Papa, thank you for all the valuable advice, lessons, and learnings. We love you!
I love you.
Stay healthy and kind. Huwag mainit ulo. Huwag pasaway. Drink your meds on time. And eat healthy foods. Okay? I love you. We love you from Canada. Love! Love you, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Doc. Maraming salamat po sa iyo na patuloy na pagiging